Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Empress Marcy here with another video, and today it's vlogust day 10. It's vlogust day 10, and today we're supposed to prepare a homemade skincare product. All of these ingredients that I'm going to use are ingredients that I've used before, except for one, which is the yogurt. I've never added the yogurt to this mixture before, so I'm just going to show you guys how I mix it and how I use it on my face. I am just coming from a baby shower and I'm wearing makeup, so I'm just going to get cleaned up. So guys, if it's your first time on my channel, we have this vlogust group going on, created by Sassy Wren and Simple Cara Jones, and all the participants that are in this group will be in, their links will be in my description box down below, so you guys can go and check their video out. Okay, so I'm just gonna get all cleaned up, take these makeup off, and get undressed to do this video for you guys.
Hey yo, big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Empress Marcy again. Just watch the video straight to the end. See?
So the ingredients that I'm gonna be using is honey, and I'm using the raw and unfiltered honey. And I'm also going to be using some yogurt, and as I said before, it's the first time I'm adding the yogurt to this mixture, and turmeric. Also, I am going to add a small amount of baking soda. And guys, this is going to be a really short video. I am so drained, I am so tired. All these videos that we have been pushing out daily for you guys, trust me, it's really tiring, but I'm enjoying it at the same time. And you know, when you want something, you have to push hard, you have to be consistent, and you know, strive for the goals that you want to achieve, and it will be definitely rewarding in the end. No matter what anyone says, don't let anyone discourage you. Just go and push out good quality video that you know you would watch. You don't want to push out some video that you know that you wouldn't sit and watch. Put out video that you would watch so that others can enjoy it. So guys, turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and that will help you to revive your skin and give it that natural glow that you're looking for. You know, face pretty, you don't need no filter kind of look. Yes. Also guys, honey also has antioxidant properties, and it also helps to absorb and retain the moisture in your skin. So you may wanna, you know, add honey in your routine whenever you're doing your mask or your scrub or whatever. Yeah, you may want to do that. And also, yogurt helps with sun damage, and it helps to remove wrinkles and stuff like that. So those are all good products to use on your skin whenever you're doing your facial at home. I'm just getting rid of all the makeup so that I can cleanse my face properly before I do my exfoliant and then add the mask. So guys, based on what I've learned on the job training for facial, I have learned that whenever you exfoliate your face, you use warm water to rinse to remove the exfoliant so that your pores can open up and accept the mask that you're going to use. But whenever you're removing the mask, that's when you're going to use the cold water to seal back the pores so that all that goodness that you just put on, yeah, that will close back in your skin. So warm water before the mask and cold water after the mask. So as you guys have seen, I have removed my makeup properly, I have cleansed my face, and I have exfoliated my face. Now I am just applying the mask that the homemade mask that I made earlier. So yeah, and as I said, whenever I'm ready to remove this mask, I'm going to keep it on for about 15 minutes, and whenever I'm ready to remove it, I am definitely going to use cold water so that the pores can get to close back up with all that goodness that I just put on. So I'm just gonna leave this on my face for about 15 minutes, and then I'm just gonna use some cold water to rinse it off. So guys, I just removed the mask from my face, took a shower, and now I'm gonna add my daily moisturizer. But to that moisturizer, I'm going to add my tea tree oil, and this tea tree oil is not just a tea tree oil, it also contains aloe vera oil and vitamin E oil, and those are great components for your skin. Also guys, don't forget all the other participants in this vloggers group. Their links are in the description box down below, and if you guys have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please be courteous guys and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, your girl Empress Marcy was here and now she's out.